not with the shits, no shifty shit. We ride with this stick, this shit get lit.
All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's cold today, but I got a new product from Boost Auto Parts. It's the license plate lights to replace the bulbs. Everybody knows that these bulbs right here, they flash, they do all kinds of crazy stuff because they're cheap and they're junk. So Boost Auto Parts came out with enclosed light. Look really good, watertight, everything. All you do is plug into where the bulb would go in that, and that's it. I think it's a 7mm bolt on both sides. Easiest install you'll ever do. I think these are about $30 for the newer GM trucks. I don't know what all trucks they have it out for yet, but yeah, we're gonna install them real quick, check them out. No more hyper flash or any of that crazy crap on that. Let's try it out. Here's an up close look at them. That's all they are. Really nice. That's where you plug it into where the bulb would go. Yeah, look really good. Other thing that mine do, it's like, I don't know if it gets too hot or something, but it looks like it's kind of like, I don't know, fading or, I don't know, melting that on both sides. But yeah, we're gonna switch them out. All right. All right. Unplug your bulb. 7mm. Oh, watch it. Got about 15 extensions on there, 1/4 inch. I think oh, there's the bolt. Where it went. Whatever. Yeah, there's the old one. Yeah, it's definitely melting the plastic. So it looks exactly the same. Wrong one. Yeah, definitely the same. Just light inside of it. All right, let's see if we can get this thing in there. It's definitely tight up in here. There's the old bulbs. Those things are crap. I don't know. I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna take that off the harness. All right, I got the first one in. 7mm bolt. Looks much better. Definitely cleaner. There's the old one. It definitely was melting the plastic. That's exactly what it was. Looks much better. All right, get the other side on. You can tell how bright that one is compared to the one over here. Kind of like dull. But maybe I can get a better shot later. It's daytime. Definitely really nice. Easy install. Nice and flush. Look awesome. And definitely very bright. No more of that little flash or anything. And exactly what I thought. These are the factory ones. Those little LED bulbs get really hot. And that's what it's doing. It's melting that plastic. So, yeah, switch them out real quick. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it.